Welcome back to the series where I'm telling you how to make the most out of your vacation. In this one, I'm talking about New York City. So here we are in LaGuardia. You're going to want to get an unlimited Metro card. I suggest the 7-day. Otherwise, you're going to be walking a lot. You're going to end up all over the city, so you never know what you're going to see. You're going to see some crazy stuff. But that's part of the fun of New York City. You never know what you're going to see, like this hole in the ground, and there's garbage everywhere. Just be prepared for that. Otherwise, everything is glittery and shiny. Like, there's so much stuff going on in New York City. There's all kinds of landmarks. I mean, take your pick. It really depends what kind of things you're into because there's so much to see in the city. There's no way you can see it all in one trip. While you're in the city, the main thing to do is stay away from the chains. Go into the little mom and pop shops. There's so much food in this city. Make sure you try Little Italy Pizza. That's my favorite pizza spot. But there's pizza all over the place. You got to try a speakeasy while you're here. Those are all over the place. And make sure you sit outside and eat because the people watching while you sit outside is like no other, no matter what you eat. There's also all sorts of culture in this city, so you're going to be able to eat all kinds of foods you can't find anywhere else. You also want to make sure you end up on a rooftop at some point because the sunset views in New York City are unlike any other. Keep an eye out for artwork. It's kind of covered all over the city. This is in the subway even. There's really cool art all over the place, little pop-ups and things like that. And of course, you have to hail a cab. That's just the New York City thing to do. And I'll leave you with a hidden gem. There's a castle in Central Park. Follow me for more travel tips and hacks.